Example 4. 751 thousandths multiplied by 48 thousandths. We need to make sure that we multiply every digit from this number by every digit in this number. So first I will multiply every digit from this number by the 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40, so I place a 0 here and carry the 4. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56, plus 4 gives me 60. I'm going to change colors for my placeholder in this problem. On the second line, I need 1 0 to hold the place. And then I'm going to erase some of this work. And then I'm going to go back to my scribble tool, grab a different color. And then I already dealt with the 8, so now I'm multiplying all of these numbers at the top by the 4. So 1 times 4 gives me 4. 5 multiplied by 4 gives me 20, so I place a 0 here and carry the 2. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 gives me 30. And then on the next line, I need to place 2 placeholders. So I'll have 2 zeros on the next line. If we had another line, there'd be 3 placeholders. Now I'm going to select a different color, erase this work. I'm finished multiplying by the 4, and now I'm going to be multiplying by 0. So I start by multiplying this 1 by 0. That looks messy. I start by multiplying the 1 by 0 and I get 0. Then I multiply the 5 by 0 and get 0. And then I multiply the 7 times 0 and I get 0. And now that I've multiplied these digits by the 8, the 4, and the 0, now I'm ready to find the sum. So I add 8 and 0 to get 8. 0 and 4 I add together to get 4. In this line I get 0. 6 and 0 makes 6. 3 plus 0 gives me 3. Now this is not the final answer. We still have to go back and count the number of decimal places in these two numbers. So first I count 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal place. So there are 3 decimal places in this number. Then I count 1, 2, 3 digits after this decimal place. So there are 3 digits, or 3 decimal places, in this number. Together that makes 6 decimal places. So I come down here and I place the decimal. It starts at the far right, and then I move it 6 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have an extra loop, which I need to place a 0 inside of. So the decimal ends up over here in front of that 0. I'm going to go to my typing tool, make this a little bit larger, the writing, and I'm going to type 0.036048 as my answer, and I'll grab a rectangle to show that that is my final answer.